Hello, good evening, students. Today's transcription number back of 179 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Madam, our housing problem continues to be acute. There is a pressing need for more houses, for more building materials, and it is absolutely necessary that this problem should be tackled on a high priority basis. Ugly towns, narrow streets, slums from our cities, and hovels from our villages have to be cleared, and we should provide houses in which decent conditions of life are possible. Madam, we are now engaged in the formulation of the fourth 5 year plan. We have to ensure that each citizen of our country is guaranteed a decent minimum standard of life. Our social services must have one prime object: the abolition of want, relief of distress, and elimination of squalor must remain the main object of social expenditure, and special assistance must be given to any part of the community that is in need of it. Unemployment, pauperism, old age, and lack of social amenities have to be dealt with. The first priority, madam, in any socialist country must be given to the poor, to the unfortunate, and the have nots. The community should be asked to give a helping hand in this great task of reconstruction, but in a country as backward and poor as ours, it is necessary for the government to provide the basic amenities that will raise the general status and standard of life. I plead for more investment in the human being, bigger wages, better conditions of life, and the availability of basic necessities to all. It is only when these are available that we can expect a better response from the people. Madam, if people have to rise to the occasion, ignorance has to be dispelled. The pattern of education has to be finalized, and a thorough overhaul of the whole of our educational system has to be made. We have been told that an education commission has already been appointed, and we know that it is carrying on its work. I merely wish to point out that we can ill afford to lose time, and early steps should be taken to start this great reform. Therefore, madam, the urgent necessities of the country at the moment are a speedy and efficient plan of both agricultural and industrial development without neglecting the social services, which are the only means of making the life of the common man worth living. In the industrial sector, it is realized that the time has come for a fresh momentum. Various measures for this have been taken. Again, government has announced concessions for unaccounted and undisclosed money, provided it is voluntarily surrendered, and we have been given a revised structure of taxes.